good person from an early age.
សូមចូលរួមកោតសរសើរដល់សមត្ថភាពនៃសិស្សថ្នាក់វិសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់ CFC Family.
Good person from an early age. We are raised by a society that tells us what is right or wrong. Deep down, we all know what the right choice is, but the choice we ultimately make is shaped by experience, trauma, and emotion make your choice. And this usually for your own good, self-protection, or the most beautiful empathy or love. You are a good person in most eyes when you look after other people. When you are honest, sincere, when you love, and when you show empathy, you are a good person. When you are open to different opinions, different culture, class, and the unknown. You are a good person when you listen, comfort, help, and learn. This is what we have been given. This is what we know, what we all know. Despite the fact that every individual has been given this along the way, it does not mean that this is how we behave. Unfortunately, many have gradually come into a position in which they have started to act differently out of emotion, pain, trauma, ache. This manifests itself in the following: they themselves cause pain. Well, this is something we all understand. It has become a visual cycle that we all participate in. Does this make us bad people? No. Let's not forget that we are all born with the same emotions. We share the same pain. You share trauma with so many others. We should pay more attention to the fact that every choice we make also affect others. We don't know each other's pain. We don't know each other's trauma. Don't try to judge right people. Don't let your pain or self-protection be a reason to put someone else in that same position. Be good to others as you want them to be good to you.
អរគុណសម្រាប់ការជួយចុច like ជួយចុចបេះដូង comment និង share អាចផ្ដល់មតិយោបល់បន្ថែមឬក៏សំណួរផ្សេងៗមកកាន់ page CFC Family សូមព្រះប្រទានពរ